Have you ever needed a second chance, have no career experience, or maybe you're new to America or need to get back on your feet? Minnesota Wire welcomes anyone looking to have fun at a steady job, believes the best of people, and encourages employees at all levels to bring new ideas and solutions to the forefront, all while exceeding customer expectations, providing useful solutions, and never taking shortcuts.
Minnesota Wire makes me feel welcome.
I feel like one of the team. I know that my part is important. I didn't feel like that at other places. I felt like I was disposable, and I know that I'm not here.
They make it feel like a family. Everybody's very nice and helpful.
They give me full training in medical, defense, and aerospace, along with competitive wages, benefits, quarterly bonuses, and growth opportunity.
Knowing that the product that I make saves lives motivates me to make sure that the product that I make is the best it can be. Someone's life depends on it.
The work I do does save life.
Because Minnesota Wire wants the best for its employees. Our facility is a clean environment with full air conditioning.
Minnesota Wire is different because when you come in the door, it may be a factory, but it doesn't feel like a factory. It's clean, it's efficient.
This is the best job I've ever had.
Come join us at Minnesota Wire. Tôi còn bé nhớ to Minnesota Wire.
Call or go online today to join us at the Minnesota Wire family.